Go, Gabe. Dance down.
Put both of them.
Put them both in your ear. There you go. Are you standing with Daddy? Daddy, what's going on?
Sweating my ass off. Trying to get some business.
Uncle Adam's at the hospital with Aunt Stephanie.
Let Daddy have one.
They're going to have their baby.
No, Daddy needs one.
You have to share, Gabe.
Give me the other one then.
You have to share.
Thank you.
Oh, good boy.
Thank you. Daddy needs one. Gabe gets one, Daddy gets one.
Why does he look scared?
What?